Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest choices for your hard-earned cash. Today, we're taking to the skies with two drones that promise to elevate your aerial adventures. On one side, we have the Holy Stone HS720Es, and on the other, the DROCON Drone. It's a battle between the high flyer and the budget buddy. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk money. The Holy Stone HS720E will set you back a whopping $399. Meanwhile, the DROCON Drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $109. So if your bank account is screaming, "Save me," the DROCON might just be your new best friend. But remember, you get what you pay for. Or do you? Let's find out. Next, let's see what these birdies can capture. The Holy Stone boasts a 4K camera with EIS technology and a Sony Sensor. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. On the other hand, the DROCON offers a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers note that while the Holy Stone delivers crystal clear footage, the DROCON's camera is just decent. Good for casual use but not professional quality. Now, let's talk airtime. The Holy Stone offers a whopping 46 minutes of flight time with its two intelligent batteries. That's almost enough time to rewatch your favorite episode of The Office. The DROCON gives you 24 minutes, which is just enough to realize you should have charged the Holy Stone instead. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time of the Holy Stone, while DROCON's dual battery feature is highlighted for providing decent airtime for its price. User-friendliness is key, especially if you're a newbie. The Holy Stone comes with Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. It's basically a flying stalker, but in a good way. The DROCON has some fun tricks too, like gesture recognition, voice control, and 360-degree flips. Reviewers find the Holy Stone easy to fly and packed with advanced features, whereas DROCON is fun and user-friendly, especially for kids or beginners. Portability is a big deal for adventurers. The DROCON is foldable, weighs less than 249 grams, and comes with a nifty suitcase. It's practically begging to join you on your next trip. The Holy Stone, while not as compact, comes with a carrying bag. Reviewers love DROCON's portability for travel, whereas Holy Stone is praised for its durable case and solid build. Last but not least, let's talk noise. The Holy Stone is equipped with whisper-quiet brushless motors. You'll barely hear it, making it perfect for spying on your neighbors. Kidding! The DROCON, though, might sound like a tiny chainsaw. Reviewers appreciate the quiet operation of the Holy Stone, whereas DROCON is noted to be noisier, making its presence known. Summarizing the reviews, the Holy Stone HS720E is praised for its high quality, advanced features, stable flight, and excellent customer service. Despite a few issues with resold units, it's highly recommended for those seeking a professional-grade drone. On the other hand, the DROCON Drone is appreciated for its affordability, fun features, and portability, making it a great choice for kids and beginners, though it has some limitations in camera quality and durability. So which drone should you choose? If you're looking for top-tier performance, crystal clear footage, and can splurge a bit, the Holy Stone HS720E is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want a fun, easy-to-use drone that won't break the bank, the DROCON Drone is a solid pick. Either way, you'll be soaring high and capturing some epic shots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart.